This video is for installation and training of butt welding machine. This is the power switch for welding transformer. Connect two-phase 440-volt power supply to this point. Air pressure regulator. Slide stopper knob. Solid state relay. Control panel. Connect single-phase 230-volt power supply and neutral here. Emergency stop push button. Foot pedal. Switch on the power supply to the welding transformer and set the tapping to required position. The sequence timer can be changed as required by pressing the button on the PLC panel. Welding on time can be changed to get required quality and fusion of welding. More time will have more fusion and less time will have less fusion. Place the part to be welded on the lower welding jaws. Press the foot pedal. Welding will be done as per the set program. Checking the pressure cylinder. Press the blue lever on the solenoid valve. The slide should move as shown in the video. The welding pressure can be increased or decreased by rotating the knob on the pressure regulator valve. The welding fusion length can be set by adjusting the stopper knob. This can be set to stop the moving cylinder at a set distance. For any query you can refer to the operation manual supplied with the machine. For further assistance, you can call or WhatsApp on MARSA mobile number 9426503910.